Hey guys, I want to make a quick video to kind of show a couple other things you should probably consider doing when you're changing out your starter on your 7.3 diesel. So I have just removed it, and a couple things I want to point out. So right here, that is your 7.3 coolant plug. So the vast majority of these have been rusted out and seized, and that goes into a 1/4 inch drive. So more than likely, you're not going to be able to remove that. So you probably um, aren't going to be able to do that. But the other thing I wanted to point out while I was under here, I hit reposition. So there's your oil pan, just so you put that in context. And that's your oil pan dipstick. Now, why am I showing you this? So I had to replace this before and found out there was no sort of gasket maker or sealer between the oil pan dipstick intake and the dipstick itself. So that dipstick tube just slides in there. So I went on and got some gasket maker and just globbed it all over there. The reason I did that is if you're ever in a situation where you're fording water and you're, you know, if you're above your frame rail with water, you're getting water poured all into your oil. So you might want to go on and put some gasket maker on it while you're doing it. So anyway, I hope that kind of gives you a heads up of what else you're going to do. Also, as you're removing this thing, there's going to be crap, 20 years of crap all in it. So, feel around, and if you can, to avoid this getting in your nose and mouth and everything else, see if you can just tilt your head to the left or right to avoid it, you know, not saying it happened to me, but it's a good safety tip. Anyway, guys, hope you found this video helpful. Thanks.